Goodwill finds. Candle holder chairs upcycled to g.i.joe chairs. These were a cool find at Goodwill. They are candle holders and they have this painful looking butt spike. My g.i.joes refuse to sit in them till I fix them. Can't blame them there. Not a problem. I busted out my rotary tool with a grinder bit. I found it easier to grind the spike at the bottom. It took a while. These are made with some nice hard steel. After grinding off the butt spike, I went back and smoothed out the area. Then it was time to paint them. I didn't do any sanding or anything. If they turned out rustic, I'm okay with it. It took a few coats to get good coverage. After the paint dried, I found some of my black sticky back craft foam. I measured and used my compass to make a circle seat cover and stuck them to the chairs. Here they are, finished up. I think they turned out really nice. I can barely tell that they were candle holders. I think these will look good at a base camp since they are pretty solid. I didn't pad the seat too much because then it would be a little too fluffy. Make it look funny. Just wanted to make it look like a basic chair. I think they turned out nice. I really do. They both have different patterns of pretty much the same. Let me know what you think. Hi guys, instead of the normal B-roll, I thought I'd do this. I'll answer a random comment. So on my canopy video, Scott Olson asked, what about using plastic straws instead of paper? Well, I find that plastic melts with the hot glue. He also suggested evergreen tubing. I had no idea what that was, so I looked it up. It's styrene tubing, which is pretty cool. And if, hey, you guys could do that, make sure you do that. That'd be cool. Share the link with me on Instagram or here on YouTube. I think the future plan would be to create joints using a 3D printer. That's one of the reasons why I want a 3D printer. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks to these guys. Shout out to these guys. Don't forget to click the like button, share, comment, like that. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.